kids, welcome to today's lesson. Our topic today is plane shapes. And at the end of the lesson, you should be able to find the perimeter of a regular polygon, square rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, and circle. Also, find the area of plane shapes as squares, rectangles, parallelograms. And finally, find the area of real-life plane objects. So, are you ready? Let's get started. The perimeter of a plane shape is the distance around the outer border of the shape. Now, how do we calculate a perimeter? Let's look at an example. If a square has 6 cm as the length of each of its sides, what would be its perimeter? The perimeter of a square will be calculated as 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 6 cm plus 6 cm, which gives us 24 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of a square with a length 6 cm is 24 centimeters. Now, let's look at another example. If we have a rectangle with length 8 cm and width 6 cm, what would be the perimeter? Let's solve it. The perimeter would be 8 cm plus 6 cm plus 8 cm plus 6 cm, which gives us 28 cm. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 cm and width 6 cm is 28 centimeters. Now, because shapes are different, there are also different ways of finding perimeter. For example, when a circle is concerned, it's no longer called perimeter, it's called circumference. To find the circumference of a circle, we use a formula. The formula is 2 pi r. Does anyone know what pi is? Well, pi represents the numerical ratio between the circumference of a circle to the diameter of the same circle. The value of pi is 3.14. The diameter is the length of a straight line that divides a circle into 2 equal halves, and a radius is the half of a diameter. Now that we know all about the formula for finding the circumference of a circle, let's try and solve a problem. Let's say we have a circle with radius 4 cm. What is the circumference? Remember the formula, 2 pi r. So we'll write 2 times 3.14 times 4, which gives us 24.12. Hence, a circle with radius of 4 cm will have the circumference of 24.12 cm. Good job, everyone, for paying attention. Now, let's talk about area. The area of a shape is the size of a flat surface surrounded by the border of the shape. Let's look at how to find the area of a square. If we have a square with side length 5 cm, what is the area of the square? We use the formula length times length, meaning we calculate 5 cm times 5 cm, which gives us 25 cm square. To calculate the area of a rectangle, we use the formula length times width, because the sides of a rectangle are not the same. For example, if we have a rectangle with length of 12 centimeters and width of 3 centimeters, the area of the rectangle will be 12 centimeters times 3 centimeters, which gives us 36 centimeters square. The last shape we'll find the area for is a circle. The formula for finding the area of a circle is pi r square. Can anyone remember what pi is? Pi is 3.14. Correct. Can anyone remember what r is? R is the radius and is the distance from the center of the circle to the circumference. Correct! Now we have the formula for the area of a circle. Let's solve an example. Let's say we have a circle with a radius of 6 centimeters. How do we find the area of the circle? That's right, pi r square. We say 3.14 times 6 square. 6 square is 6 times 6, which equals 36. Now, 3.14 times 36 is 113.04 centimeters square. Good job, everyone. Final example. Amira has a big clock in her house. She measured the radius and found that it is 10 centimeters. What is the area of Amira's big clock? Using our formula pi r square, we can find the area of a clock. Pi equals 3.14. R equals 10 centimeters. And r square is 10 centimeters times 10 centimeters, which is 100 centimeters square. Therefore, the area of the clock is 3.14 times 100 centimeters square, which gives a value of 314 centimeters square. Good job, everyone! With that, we've come to the end of the lesson. Today, we learned how to find the perimeter of a regular plane shape like squares and rectangles. We also found the circumference of a circle. We learned all about the area of plane shapes. And finally, we saw how to find the area of a circle. In our next lesson, we'll find the area and perimeter of irregular plane shapes. Now, kids, it's assessment time. See you in the next lesson. Bye!